Hi lovers, you're welcome back to my channel. If you want to know how to make the best mouth-watering sweet Nigerian fried rice that will not spoil it the next day, please watch the end of the video. My returning subscribers, thank you guys very much, and if you are new here, I welcome you to the family. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hi lovers, how are you guys doing today? Please, if you happen to come across my page, my post as usual, please just view it, no matter how boring it is or how bad it is, just view it and engage on it so that this video can reach others. Please just help this small brand. Please don't forget to watch to the end of the video, like and share and comment. Well detailed proper cooking of fried rice, guys. Are you like me that when you get to restaurants and you are left restaurant or fast food and you're left with the option of fried rice or jollof? I always go for the jollof because what they make there is not fried rice. They make yellow rice. Sorry to say that they make yellow rice. It's not fried rice, Joe, but not all of them, but almost all of them. So nothing like making fried rice in your house. So on this day, I was craving for fried rice. I said, okay, or more fried rice is not easy to make. You the prepping alone takes a lot. So today I said, okay, let me just dive into it. Okay, that's our ginger garlic paste. So I removed some that I used to season my chicken, and I removed some for my main fried rice by frying it. Okay, and I added pepper to the one I'll add to my chicken. So this is my already washed, very washed chicken, and I went in with my favorite spices: thyme, curry, all purpose seasoning, benny, salt, ginger and garlic powder. Guys, my ginger and garlic powder and benny I divided into two. I'll be using the rest later. Okay, after it, I go in with my blended pepper mix, which is consists of garlic, ginger and onion. Then the next thing I'll go in with is my onion, my sliced onion. After my onion, I'll go in with my bay leaves. Yeah, please always put bay leaf when you're seasoning your chicken. Then I go in with my seasoning cubes, guys. After this, we just stir everything together so that they will understand each other better and cook very well. Please, when cooking your chicken, don't add water. Do not add water to this. It's just the water that the chicken is bringing out. So the next thing is I go ahead with my ingredients, my veggies, prepping them. Guys, this vegetable chopper is a lifesaver, and I like how it diced everything the same size. You understand? It will just be looking appealing. So this is me that is in my green pepper, green red pepper, and my yellow pepper. Guys, I remember while growing up, okay, meanwhile I've added my liver. I don't want to cook it separate, guys. No, gas is very expensive. I just want to use one stone to kill two birds, so I just added my liver inside. Guys, while growing up, if you want to cook fried rice, it will be for special occasion, special festival period, because guys, if you grew up in an African home, that's how it is. Well, that's how it works for us in our house. I don't know for you guys. So my liver is already cooked, so I've removed it and diced it, fried it, and I'll keep it aside for later. My chicken is properly cooked already, so I'll just fry it in when it's golden brown. I didn't want to roast it because fried rice is all about fry. So now, guys, my friends normally ask me, what is the special ingredient you use when making your fried rice that makes it looks different and tastes a lot better than other fried rice I've been eating? So guys, my special ingredient is this thing, these peas and my green. I blend the two together to give it that flavor and to give it that vibrant color, guys. These two are my secret ingredient, and it takes my fried rice to 100. Okay, after that, in another pot, you go in with your oil, your onion, your thyme, your curry, your seasoning cube, your salt, your purple seasoning, your ginger and garlic paste, and your favorite spices. After adding all this together, you just stir it. Then you go in with your turmeric. The last time I added is my turmeric powder, because there is no fried rice without turmeric for me. I don't know for you. So you just turn it in when everything is well fried. You now go in with your washed rice. Remember to wash your rice and set it aside so that it will dry up. When adding it, water will not be going inside. So after adding my washed rice, I will just stir everything together for all of them to understand each other, marry each other. Just stir it and fry it, because this what we're making is fried rice, so you need to fry it. And if you want it to be like, as you can see, I'm not using basmati rice, so it's not a must I use basmati rice to make fried rice. No, you can use your normal rice and you still get a perfect fried rice, but remember to fry it before going with your stock. So after frying for a while, I now went in with my stock, with my blended pepper and my secret ingredients, which is my blended peas and green pepper. After that, I added my peas, guys, because this my peas is very strong, so I needed it to cook alongside with the rice. And yes, my rice is properly cooked, so I'll just turn it together for the peas to be able to settle inside the rice very well. So now we're about to fry our veggies. This we are in fact, your fried rice is almost ready. You go in with your butter. After the thing has melted, you go in with your onion, saute your onion for some time, then you now add your carrots, guys. After adding your carrots, you go in with your green beans. After adding your green beans, you're going with your spring onions. First, this is time for you to add all your veggies. Now this is my garbage. After you're adding it, you have to season your veggies so that it will add taste to it, and it will make your fried rice very okay. So after adding everything, I'll just stir it together. Then I'll now go in with my red pepper, green pepper, my sweet corn and my yellow pepper. After adding this is the point, I will now add my seasoning. So this is my liver. After my liver, I will add my seasoning and my favorite spices, guys. Just if you know the different the spice that you like, just go in with it. You don't need to use the one I'm using. Anyone that you know that you like, just go in with it. You just turn it. Guys, at this point there, I'm already happy because the aroma in my kitchen is something else. At this point, your veggies are fried already. Please don't over fry your veggies because you will not like it. Okay, now it's time for me to add my rice to my already fried veggies, but I will scoop out some so that I'll use it later, because we have to add our rice gradually. As you are adding your rice, you are adding more veggies, you are mixing all together. Please don't turn it too much. So okay, I've added the last portion of rice. So this is the veggies that I scooped out earlier. So now it's just for me to turn everything together, because at this point my fried rice is already ready. You can see how it's looking, guys. You can see how more Nepa they do me test you before I film this one. Now they're already taking lights, or later they brought back the lights. Okay, that's by the way. Now see how our fried rice is looking, guys. Are you seeing that color? Are you seeing everything looking so appetizing, looking so sweet, guys? This particular fried rice, if you cook this, guys, you come back and thank me later. You come. Okay, guys, I didn't film the part whereby after frying my chicken, I have to do pepper sauce and add my chicken inside. I had the recipe ready here. Please, you can go down and check it out. So this is my pepper mixed chicken. See how it's looking. I dish this one for myself. See my food now. See the way it's looking. Okay, guys, don't forget to like, share. See you guys in my next video. Bye.